Hello everyone, it is Friday morning, March 4th, 2022, and it's another rough day on the stock market. The Dow Jones Industrial Average and NASDAQ Composite are both down about 1.5% in early trading, and a big reason for that is that oil has spiked another 5% this morning to $113 per barrel. Uncertainty about interest rates and geopolitical risk continue to move the market short term. One notable piece of news long term comes from Costco. The company reported second quarter results for the period ending February 13th, and revenue was up 16% to $51.9 billion. Net income jumped 36% to $1.3 billion, or $2.92 per share. Comparable same-store sales, which are a key growth metric for any retail company, grew 11.1%, which is an incredible rate for a retailer. So why are shares of Costco trading down 4% today? Before we get there, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications for breaking stock news and great investing insights. Costco's stock is down today because investors were expecting management to be a little more upbeat about a booming economy. But there was a more muted tone from the company, and growth rates are starting to slow, which should be expected coming out of the pandemic as people spend more money on restaurants and entertainment venues. But there are also supply chain pressures that investors need to think about. Costco has chartered 7 shipping vessels to get goods from Asia to North American stores to ease supply pressures across the business. Price increases are also being passed on to customers, which helps the top line but may not help the bottom line long term. Investors are grappling with what to think about a company like Costco's growth coming out of the pandemic. A double-digit growth rate probably isn't sustainable given Costco's size, but just how much slowing will we see? Time will tell, but investors seem to be expecting a little less growth today than they were yesterday. What we know is that Costco is a great company that's performed well for investors over decades, and I think that will continue, even if there's bumps on the road like we see today. Is the stock a buy? If you're a buy and hold investor who's willing to hold this stock for years, I think it is today, knowing that there may still be further pullbacks as investors decipher exactly what Costco's growth looks like coming out of the pandemic. Now be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications for the latest on your favorite stocks. Until next time, fool on everyone.